Hey folks, we're back down here in Mount Bethel. I'm on a tight schedule right now. I have a meeting with a church out in California, a Zoom with them for about 2 hours. Hopefully not that long, but we got the speakers. I'm gonna see if I can mark the studs here and then see if I can get them both done. If not, I got like 15 minutes to set up here, but I'm gonna at least mark this, try and get this done. Got my ladder outside, got to hang the 2 cameras. Then secure the anchors for the cables, get these up, and then prep for a training with the church here at 5:30. So let's get to work. Got both of them up just in time for my meeting to start. So let's get this meeting started and then we'll be back. I'll make a hole with some of the grommets I had left over to pass the cable through, push the tiles up, then go outside and start marking the mounts for the cameras. All right, as you can hear, I do have it turned down. So we got that done. I just finished my meeting. I'm trying to get out here and run these cables and hook up the camera so we can move on, get the rest of this stuff done so I can get ready for everybody getting here at 5:30 to teach and train. Finished just in time. I got all of them tacked in down here. I just need to pull up the slack and then 2 more screws and clips to do that. I don't need to do that today. I never got a chance to do the other side, but that will be easy to do. I just got to get inside because I think everybody is here for us to start this training. So let me pack my stuff up and let's get to going. Alrighty folks, we are done here. Excuse me. I'm prepping everybody to do a training. So we'll give I don't want to say the final tour. We got all the cameras up. We got just a little bit of tweaking to do, and I need to secure the cables for the Starlink in the back and the one on the side. So I'll probably bring my ladder with me. I'm not going to do that because my daughter's going to be with me, and that's going to be kind of pressure. I got to go. I'll probably come back here on Monday and do that because I don't need to get inside to do that, but I still have a key. So worst case scenario, we got everything up, sound is done, all that other fun stuff. So let's get inside and let's overwhelm people with the knowledge to get all this stuff up and running. right, folks, so we just finished doing some training with them, and they have service at 8 o'clock on Sunday. So we're going to be down here a lot earlier than I thought to finish up everything, but we got everything done. Only got to do a couple more cables on the other side, reposition 2 cameras. The one in the front, they want it tilted up a little bit more. I'll probably angle it so you can see people walking up. And then we just got to change security cables for the Starlink in the back and the cables on the other side of the parking lot. And then this project is done. So I might bring it along with y'all on the last Sunday for them to hear the new sound system and all the new speakers and all this other fun stuff. And I think I might actually leave my ladder here because I won't need it until then. But anyway, we'll see y'all Sunday.